Hi there, my name is Karen and this is my first ever screencast, so please bear with me as I'm trying to figure it out. Anyway, I am here to show you how to reuse a post on Google Classroom. And this is my Google Class that I set up for this class. And what I want to show you today is how to place something on this page that maybe you already had in another class. It's called reusing a post. And you can do this under either classwork or stream. I'm going to choose stream because what I'm going to place here is going to be something students are going to be going back to on occasion. And what this is MLA manuscript guide for students when they write research papers and the needed document sources. And we do this in many of my classes, and it gets kind of complicated. So I think it's important for students to be able to have access to this, and putting it on Google Classroom works perfectly for just that. So if I wanted to reuse a post, you could share something here and this turns blue and you can start over, or you can reuse a post from that you've already had. You hit this little icon and you'll see, okay, I can go ahead and reuse a post. And the first thing you do is kind of select which class. I have it posted under all my English 10s, but I'm going to hit it right here. And what this document is this research paper guide. I'm going to select the research paper guide. And by selecting that, when I go to reuse, that's the one that's going to be reused onto my page. And so I can, if I hit post, it will post there, or I can easily add it, say maybe to my introduction to classic film class. I can add it to that, and that way I can repost it to two things right away. And then I'll hit this little post button. And I have to wait just a second for it to post. And then when it goes back, you'll see that that document is posted here in this class, and it wasn't there before. And all I had to do was hit the reuse. Makes life a lot simpler. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.